everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Kelly and today I'm going to open up my Ipsy bag. I actually just got done filming a different video, went upstairs, and my mail lady basically met me at my front door, so I was like, let's jump on down really quick, let's jump into the bag, because seeing this big pink bag just sitting around the house is kind of bad, and I'm horrible with surprises, so I'm going to jump on here really quick and open this with you guys. I am doing this as a bonus video. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep opening these on my channel, so that's why they're kind of bonus videos at this point, because I do have my month scheduled out. But let me know down in the comments, is this something you want to keep seeing? Do you want to keep seeing what I get in my Ipsy bag? Do you get Ipsy bag? Do you like to compare? Let me know down in the comments. Okay, so this is my February bag. Yeah, this is February. It comes with a big card. Oh, I think Ipsy gave us a bigger card. It doesn't fit in the bag, and that shows what's in there. So let's not look at that. That's new! Alright, and this is the bag that we got this month. This is so cute. It's with, I really like this bag. Oh, this is going in my purse immediately. I have to say, before I started YouTube, I was absolutely that person that clicked on the email when it said sneak peeks now. I was that person that clicked on it so fast because I can't handle surprises. But I think it's a lot of fun when you are surprised. So I don't know what's in here. And it's been really hard not to know. I didn't check last month either, and this is really, really hard for me. I might have to switch my email to like my husband's email, so because I don't get his email. It's hard not to click on those emails. So let's get in here and see. Oh, something from Pixi. This is their Glow Tonic Exfoliating Toner. I have been wanting to get my hands on this. My Target just rearranged everything, and so we now carry Pixi, and this was sold out when I was there, so I was sad. So I'm really excited to get this in my bag. Oh, I'm so excited for this one. Awesome. Ipsy always they always just knock it out of the park. The next one we have is a mascara from Ico. This is the Lash Alert Mascara Wake Up and Go. I do like Ico. I don't think I've tried their mascara. I think I've only tried their eyeliners, which are really nice. I like Ico, so I'm excited for this one. I'll throw this in my purse. I like the little travel ones in my purse because I'm really good at doing like full face makeup and then spraying my face and forgetting to put mascara on and just leaving the house. So I did that once, and I have learned from my mistakes. Now I keep the travel size little mascaras in my purse always. The next thing we have is, it's a Fierce and Fine Graphic Liquid Eyeliner from Douce? How do you say that? Oh, it's a felt tip. I'm not typically one that likes liquid eyeliners. Let's go ahead and see how this kind of swatches on my hand. My hand's got some texture, not a lot, but some, so we should be able to see if it bleeds, which it does not. This might be a really nice pencil. It does look like it's drying matte, so a very clean line. I might actually really like this, so I will put this in my box behind me, and I will either put it in a future video or just let you know how it goes next month. The next thing we have is in bubble wrap, which is always kind of exciting. This is from Meech and Mia. I've gotten a couple things from them. This is Pressed Taupe. So I'm assuming it's an eyeshadow. Open. It's a really good size pan. I think I have a couple loose pigments. That is really soft, and I do love me a taupe. Oh, that is pretty. Oh, that swatches beautifully. That's one swipe. Oh, this is going to be used often. This on its own all over the lid is probably going to be a favorite go-to. I love that one. We have one more thing in here. This is by Sugar. It's a Pout Time Vivid Lipstick Mini. First off, kudos for the box. This box is so cute. Very artsy. I always give my daughter, my youngest daughter loves makeup, but I don't let her have anything other than like a clear lip gloss or maybe something with glitter, but she always takes my cute little boxes and she always sets up her and her dolls, and they always do makeup together with the cute little packages. Or even my empties. Sometimes she takes my empties and she uses them for pretend makeup. Does anybody else's daughter do that? Very cool. It is a squared little box. The color is 09 Better Call Salmon. And it is a really, really pretty color. It looks like it might be a brick red, but let's swatch it and we'll see. Very creamy. I would say that's more of a pinky nude. It doesn't look, well, I was hoping it was going to be more of a brick red, but this is a very, very pretty color. I will definitely wear this quite a bit. This is right up my alley. And it looks, I mean, almost pretty cohesive look right here. I would wear all this together. We got some mascara. We're good to go for a full face look almost. This is really nice. Oh, I'm so excited about that eyeshadow. So that's everything that I got in my Ipsy box. Did we get anything of the same? What are you excited to see? Is there anything in this bag you want me to leave for a first impression video, or do you own any of it? Is it any good? Is there any tips or tricks as to how to use or wear any of it? Let me know down in the comments. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you had fun hanging out for a little bit today, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future content from me. I do uploads every Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday, 6 p.m. Eastern Time. I do have a new series on Tuesdays now, so don't forget to go check that out. I'll leave the playlist down in the description box below. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye!